Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom redirects or URL redirects for your Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So all you need to do is either to go to your online store or just search for it in the sales channels from settings. So simply you can go to the online store and from there we can search for navigation, and basically you will find it here in this little menu. By clicking on navigation we can find all our menus. So here we can see the view URL redirects, and this is the page that we are interested in, and simply you click on it, and from here we can find all our redirects. So either you can export your redirects or import some existing one, or you can simply create custom ones. Basically, you need to start with the slash. So for example, here you want to choose any redirects that you would like. For example, if I go to store slash my custom redirects, then I want it to take me, for example, to a homepage. Let's make it the homepage, or you can make it to take you to the sales page, checkout page, or anything that you would like. So I'm just going to save this redirect, and then I will need to go to the store first. So let's just go to our store and view it. And from here, I'm just going to add our custom URL. It depends on what we have named our redirect. So we named it my custom. So from here, I will just type my custom and it will redirect me to the home page. So simply, this is how you create a customized redirect. Thank you for watching and see you next time.